Looking to create your next design but unsure where to start? No worries, our team has your back with our easy-to-use online designer tool. Once you find the product you've been looking for, select your desired size first. This will allow your design space to portray your design how it will appear on your product. Then begin with a background. If you have an image saved, you can upload it by clicking Upload Image and selecting it from your files. You can also select one of our handy backgrounds by clicking Add Background here. If you don't want an image and you would rather have a solid color background, then you can click the background area and then select a color from the boxes, or use the color wheel to perfect your background. Once you've perfected your background, you can add text if you like. First, click on the Add Text button and type the messaging that you'd like. You can adjust the size of your text and the font style in the box to the left. You can also change the color and opacity in this box. Any of the elements that you add to your product design can be adjusted by clicking and dragging the circles along the corners of the individual elements. Once your text has been added, you can add in any images you like your logo or other visuals. You can upload your own images by clicking Upload Image and then selecting your desired file. If you would rather, you can also use clip art from our site by selecting the Add Clip Art button and then selecting the image that you'd like. Once you've added your background, your text, and desired images, you can arrange it as you like. When you click on an element, you'll see that a few more helpful options will pop up for it. These are the Copy button, the Bring Forward button, the Send Backward button, the Reset button, and the Delete button. Once your design has been perfected to your liking, you can click Accept Design and then add it to your cart. Easy peasy. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial.